National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a dust storm warning for Maricopa County in south-central Arizona, Pinal County in southeastern Arizona, until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 6:05 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a wall of dust was along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Phoenix International Raceway to 7 miles south of South Mountain Park to Oldburn to 12 miles northwest of Coetu to 17 miles southeast of Freeman, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 10 between mile markers 160 and 204. Arizona Interstate 8 between mile markers 162 and 178. Arizona Route 87 between mile markers 124 and 167. Locations impacted include Chandler, Gilbert, Casa Grande, Florence, Coolidge, Sun Lakes, City of Maricopa, Queen Creek, Arizona City, Santan Valley, and Backpool. Dust storms lead to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, park, turn off your lights, and keep your foot off the brake. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive.